morning children, hope you are fine. Now we are continuing the lesson chapter 2 Teeth and Digestive System. In today's lesson we will learn about microbes and also some healthy eating habits. Microbes. Microbes are very tiny living things that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. We can see them only under a microscope. They are present all around us, in the air, in water, in soil, and also inside our body. Some microbes are useful and some are harmful. There are mainly 4 types of microbes: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. They are found everywhere and in almost everything. Fungi grow on decaying matter. Protozoa are also known as little animals. They are also single-celled organisms. Virus is the smallest microbe. As we told before, some microbes are harmful. The harmful microbes that cause various diseases are called germs. Some bacteria cause diseases like typhoid and tuberculosis. Some fungi cause skin diseases like ringworm and athlete's foot. Some viruses cause diseases like polio and common cold. Protozoa cause diseases such as malaria and dysentery. Now we are going to discuss about some useful microbes. Many microbes are useful to us. Yeast is a fungus and is very important ingredient in bread and is largely used in bakeries. Yeast also used to make wine. Mushrooms are edible fungi. That means that can be eaten. Children, do you know? Some microbes are used to develop medicines and vaccines. Some bacteria present in our alimentary canal help in digestion. They help in the digestion of roughage in our body and also produce vitamins in our body. Some bacteria helps to turn milk into curd and cheese. Some microbes also help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2. Nowadays, these words are familiar to all of us. So, what is this COVID-19? COVID-19 means Coronavirus Disease 2019. Is a disease caused by a type of virus called SARS-CoV-2 that can be passed from person to person. It first appeared in people in December 2019 at Wuhan City, China, and quickly spread around the world. COVID-19 mainly affects your respiratory system. That means the organ system which helps us to breathe. Then, how does this COVID-19 spread? The virus is spread through respiratory droplets. So when an infected person cough or sneeze, they gives out droplets of viruses into the air. If these droplets are breathed in by other people, they will get affected by the disease. Or if these droplets land on surfaces like doorknob or elevator button, if a healthy person touches these surfaces that has a droplets on it and touches their eyes, nose, or mouth, it is possible to get them sick. So, we should follow some safety rules to be safe from COVID-19. First, wash your hands with soap and water. You want to wash your hands for 20 seconds or use a sanitizer. You should not touch your mouth, eyes and nose with unwashed hands. Most importantly, stay home. If going out, use face mask and keep a distance of at least 6 feet from others. At last, stay healthy. Drink plenty of water, eat fresh and healthy food, and have a regular sleep and rest. So children, follow the instructions and guidelines given by the adults and be safe from COVID-19 pandemic.
So children, here are some healthy eating habits that you should follow in your daily life. Always chew the food well. Eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Drink plenty of water and wash your hands before and after meals. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.